Make Python sort/compare the same way as GNU sort. It seems after some fast tests that Python is using the same sorting order as Linux sort, GNU sort, with the C sorting order if the local is set to C. However, I'd like to be able to write Python code that is sorting and comparing the same way as GNU sort depending on the locale. Small example code to illustrate the issue. If above code is run, I get following output. Column 1 is the sorting/comparing order that I'd like to have in my Python code if the locale is n_us.utf-8. Column 2 and 3 show that Python sorts the same way as Linux sort if the locale is set to AC. So I'd also like it to know whether there is a way to have fget is lower than fff yield true. I don't insist on a compare operator, I can also call a function. But the ordering result should be considering the current locale.
Somehow I overlooked this. The sorting doc of Python, this URL mentions in the last section odds and ends the function locale strxfrm. See this URL as key function for sorting and locale.strcol as a comparison function. So following modified code is almost okay, except that the comparison function does not return directly true/false, but this is okay in my context. The output would be
If you want to support the channel,